So we're going to do direct control. I'm going to go counterclockwise. I'm going to hold it down. Counterclockwise, and that's rotation rate number 4. And as soon as I let go, the fans stop. We still have some inertia. Now we'll go back the other way. Going clockwise at a rate of 4. And I keep the button down. System uses, and as soon as I let go, the system stops. Now, it's not holding any position. It's just the inertia as it goes around. So now I'm going to orient it so we can see the front. Right there. Nice logo shot. Now I'm going to press hold. Now you can see up at the top, now that we've pressed hold, now it's working to maintain a position. And it's going to be plus or minus 5. Okay? And there the system holds. Okay? Now if we want to program a memory, we press and hold memory 1, 3 seconds. Now memory 1 has a number, 92 degrees. Okay? So what I can do is I can, now that I'm in hold, I can trim it. So we'll turn the system approximately 90 degrees. I'm still in hold, so whenever I let go, it's going to hold the system right there. Let go, system holds. Right? Okay? Again, it's holding on that top line. So now I'm going to press and hold memory 2. Now we have a new number down there. Those are our 2 memory settings. Memory 2, and to return, I'll just hit memory 1. The system will autonomously and in a very controlled manner start moving back to memory 1. Now you'll see this top number, as it goes down, as it gets closer to the target of 92 degrees, as it slowly rotates. And there we can see we basically landed. We don't overshoot. Okay? And to go back to memory 2, I simply press memory 2. That top number gets big. System starts rotating. Number goes down. The system can finish turning. Okay? If we want to do small adjustments, if I want to go clockwise, we can use trim. I'll just give one single press. That'll move the system 3 degrees. And there it goes. I'll give it another press for another 3 degrees. I can give it another press for another 3 degrees. We've now moved it 9 degrees. And if I want that to be the new memory 2, I'll press and hold memory 2. And now my number has changed. And I can go back to memory 1. System turns, number gets big and starts to reduce as the unit gets closer to its designator of 92 degrees. The top number is just the amount of degrees that are different from the target of 92 degrees. Okay, now I'll go to standby, which cancels all operations. The system is inactive, fans aren't working. I can go over here and I can turn my rate selector all the way up to 6, which is 20 degrees per second. And I'll just hold the counterclockwise button, and you can see we have a 20-degree rate of rotation. Again, that top says NA, which means we're in direct control. Wherever I let go, the fans will stop, and the inertia that we've given it will just continue. I can turn this down all the way to 1, and I can press and hold clockwise. It's going to counteract the motion it was going with, and now we find ourselves rotating at a very controlled 3 degrees per second. While I'm pressing and holding that, I can turn the rate of rotation. Now we're up at 3, there's 4, there's 5, and there's 6. Conversely, I can turn it down. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And the system will respond immediately. Anytime I get to a position that I like, I simply press hold, and the system will hold. If I want to adjust from there, I press and hold clockwise or counterclockwise. My rate of rotation is still locked in at 1. I can kick it up, I can kick it down, and since I'm in hold, wherever I let go, the system stops and holds. Okay, we just hit memory 1, it's going to return to memory 1. If for some reason I need to stop and I want the system to not exert any thrust, I can hit standby or tap the red button. Pendant turns off, system turns off. To turn it back on, simply turn and pull, hold the start button till the screen turns on. GPS is ready. The button on the back side cycles between the screens. When I'm in direct control, I see a number 3 up there. Standby is denoted with a 1. Direct control is denoted with a 3. I let go, we return to 1. If I hit hold, we go to 2. Memory 1, still in 2 because that's position hold. Memory 2 remains on 2, position hold. If I now start to move the system, I switch to a 3 because I'm controlling it, but as soon as I let go, we return to 2, holding position hold. RF key, turn clockwise, always.